Are you tired of noticing every little noise around you? Want to know why that changes over time? Let's explore sensory adaptation. Sensory adaptation is your brain's way of saying, I've got this, move along. When you're first exposed to a sound, like a ticking clock or distant traffic, your brain sends signals saying, hey, listen up. But after a while, it realizes this noise isn't a threat. So it tunes it out to help you focus on more important things, like a friend's laughter or your favorite song. Think of it like this. Your brain is a DJ, fading out the boring background tracks so you can enjoy the main event. Cool, right? So next time you stop noticing that drip, drip, drip at the faucet, thank your brain for being such an awesome filter. And that, folks, is the magic of sensory adaptation. See you next time for more mind-blowing science.